નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, this is part 5 of chapter 4 parts and wholes, standard 5th mathematics. In the last part we discussed the story of greedy gatekeepers, isn't it? In this part we are going to discuss patterns in parts. So there is a question: make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grid BCD. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remained white? Right. Okay. So here is an example. Like that we are going to do such things. In grid A, you can see total 16 squares are there, isn't it? Out of which 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, 8 are blue. Out of how many? 16. And 8 are white out of 16. So in such manner we can write 8 upon 16 blue, 8 upon 16 white. Okay. So now let's go for the answer of grid B. See, here you can see there is a grid B in which total 16 squares are there, 4 are colored. You can see that. Okay. Now how to write? See, colored part, total 4 squares are blue, isn't it? So 4 out of 16 is equal to 1 upon 4. How is it so? Because it is 4 4 ja 16, isn't it? And hence it is 1 upon 4. Now white part, total are 16 minus 4 blue divided by matlab out of 16. Now 16 minus 4 is equal to 12 divided by 16 is equal to 3 by 4. How is it so? 4 3 ja 12 and 4 4 ja 16 and hence it is 3 by 4. आप समझ गए होंगे, isn't it? चलिए आगे देखते हैं. Now there is grid C in which you can see total 8 blue squares are there and 8 white, and we can say it is half or not. Let's see. Colored part, that is 8, total 8 colored squares out of 16 is equal to 1 upon 2. अब 1 upon 2 आप समझ गए ना, 8 2 जा 16. Same way white part, total are 16 minus 8 colored, those are white, that is 8, and out of 16, that is 8 divided by 16, 8 2 ja 16 is equal to 1 upon 2. So in this we can see this is half है ना, half part is colored, half part is white. Let's go further. Here there is grid D in which total 4 squares are colored, and if 4 are colored then obviously 12 are white, isn't it? So let's see this answer. Here we can see colored part, total 4 out of 16 and 4 4 ja 16, isn't it? So it is 1 upon 4. Same way white part, total 16 minus 4 colored is equal to 12 and out of 16. Now here also 3 by 4. You must have understood 4 3 ja 12 and 4 4 ja 16, and that is why 3 by 4, isn't it? Let's go further. Second question is there. Look at grid A again. Is the grid colored? A, 1 upon 2 blue, 1 upon 2 white, matlab half of them is blue and half of them is white. B, 2 upon 4 blue, 2 upon 4 white. C 3 upon 8 blue, 5 upon 8 white, and D is 4 upon 8 blue, 4 upon 8 white. So here is grid grid A, in which 8 squares are colored and 8 squares are white. Okay, now let's answer this. Total number of squares in grid A, it is 16. Number of blue colored squares, 8. Part of grid with blue color is equal to 8 colored out of 16. So it is 8 divided by 16. 8 to the 16 is equal to 1 upon 2. Number of white colored squares, 8. Part of grid with white color, that is 8. Number of white color square out of 16, that is 8 divided by 16 is also 1 upon 2. Now what we want to find out? We want to find out wrong answer. Out of A, B, C, D, which of them is wrong, isn't it? So let's understand. 1 upon 2 blue, 1 upon 2 white. Yeah, that is answer. So A is answer. Now 2 by 4 blue, 2 by 4 white. What is that? Let me make you understand. 2 divided by 4. Now you know that 2 to the 4 and is equal to 1 upon 2. So actually this B is also 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, isn't it? So it is right. B is also right answer. Now let's try to find out D. So in D we can see it is 4 divided by 8, and we know 4 to the 8, and this is actually 1 upon 2. So this is also the answer of this question, but here you can see C 3 upon 8 blue, 5 upon 8 white. That is not a answer. So we should mark C is wrong answer, isn't it? Let's go further. I hope you must have got this idea. Now third question is there. Draw grids of 16 squares and make patterns with 2 upon 8 red, 1 upon 2 येलो, 1 upon 4 ग्रीन. पहले ए आंसर करते हैं, फिर बी को आंसर करेंगे. चलिए, तो इसमें क्या है? 2 upon 8 red. Here 2 upon 8 red. Now how we can find out what is 2 upon 8? See, total how many squares are there? 16. अब आप समझ लेना, मस्त से समझ लेना, क्योंकि ये आपको काम आने वाला है. Now here 2 upon 8 is there. 2 upon 8. Now what we want? Total 16 squares are there. जितने भी स्क्वायर होते थे हम वो डिनोमिनेटर में लिखते थे. आपको पता है ना, आउट ऑफ 16. तो हमें यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर पे, मतलब यहाँ पे 8 के जगह पे इंस्टेड ऑफ 8 वी शुड राइट 16. तो 8 से 16 कैसे बना सकते हैं? इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 8 विथ 2 देन इट इज 16 और नॉट. तो अगर हमने डिनोमिनेटर पे मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 किया है देन वी मस्ट मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो. ओके, तो अब क्या हुआ? सी 16 मिल गया. हियर इट इज 2 बाई 2 इज 4 एंड 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 इज 4 एंड 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 इज 16. तो अब हमें पता चला कि रेड जो है 2 अपॉन 8 इट इज एक्चुअली 4 अपॉन 16. नाउ 4 आउट ऑफ 16 मतलब के 4 स्क्वेयर्स है, उसको हमने रेड करना है. एंड हियर यू कैन सी टोटल 4 स्क्वेयर्स आर रेड और नॉट. ओके, नाउ 1 अपॉन 2 येलो. 1 अपॉन 2 मतलब हाफ, हाफ मतलब 8 अपॉन 16 और नॉट. I hope you must have understand 1 upon 2, that is 2 multiplied by 8, and here also multiply by 8. Okay, and is equal to 8 divided by 16. मतलब के 8 squares should be yellow. Okay, so these are the 8 squares which are yellow. And next that is 1 upon 4 green. Now 1 upon 4 मतलब हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ 4 वी वांट टू गो फॉर 16. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, ऊपर नीचे 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 16 आ जाएगा. आ गया कि नहीं? तो 16 आ गया. तो अब इसका आंसर क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 इज 4, डिवाइड बाई 16. मतलब के ये जो ग्रीन है वो 1/4 मतलब 4 ग्रीन आउट ऑफ 16. ओके, एंड हियर यू कैन सी टोटल 4 ग्रीन स्क्वेयर्स आर देयर आउट ऑफ 16. आई होप यू मस्ट हैव गॉट दिस आइडिया. तो ये जो है इसमें आपको अपने आप समझना है. चलिए देखते हैं आपको कितना आता है. नेक्स्ट में जाते हैं. बी 3/16 ब्लू, मतलब 3 शुड बी ब्लू आउट ऑफ 16. हियर इट इज और नॉट, यस इट इज देयर. 5/16 रेड, दैट इज 5 स्क्वायर शुड बी रेड आउट ऑफ 16. देखिए 1 2 3 4 5, या इट इज रेड. ना 1/2 येलो, व्हाट इज दिस 1/2 येलो? आप समझ गए होंगे क्या करना है. अगर 1/2 है तो हमें 16 तक जाना है, मतलब के डिनोमिनेटर पे 16 लेने के लिए आई शुड मल्टीप्लाई बाई 8, इजंट इट? एंड द आंसर इज 8 आउट ऑफ 16. कौन सा है? येलो. येलो शुड बी 8 आउट ऑफ 16. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, इजंट इट? आप अब समझ गए होंगे कि इफ इट इज 1/2 देन इट इज 8/16 ऑल्सो. और वो आप समझ लेना. इफ यू कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, वॉच दिस वीडियो 2 to 3 टाइम because it is very important. Okay, and with this I can say we are ending this part and we'll meet you in the next part soon. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.